trap ruler causes the destruction of an entire nation. When you have flaws, don't be afraid to let them out. There can be no justice in anger, nor can any work be done well. If you want to live a long life, move slowly. The biggest problem in our life is that we repeat the same mistakes over and over again. A right that has been taken away is not earned by begging. It has to be taken back. If someone helps you, be sure to thank him so that he feels happy to help someone else. It is better to test a person twice than to be easily deceived. The most painful thing in the world is poverty because it breaks all relationships. If you don't treat yourself, you're an idiot. It is better to light a lamp than curse the darkness. To be fearless is to be confident. A successful man always learns from his mistakes and tries again in a different way. If you need a person who will change your life, look for him in front of the mirror. If you want to be successful, help others to be successful. Most people think of people as idiots who don't want to break others' hearts by showing their intelligence. The biggest hypocrite is man himself because he only likes to listen to what he means. He who has a good friend does not need a mirror. As soon as you start walking on the path becomes visible. Everything in excess is against nature. The very important thing you should have is patience. You should learn from your competitor, but never copy. Copy and you die. If you want the world to ignore you, be a coward or be in the crowd. I don't want to be liked. I want to be respected. Never regret what you have done. If you regret, you will become a coward. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. If you want to be rich, don't waste your time. Spending money is much more difficult than making money. When I am myself, I am happy and have a good result. The world needs new leadership, but the new leadership is about working together. We should keep on going along the path of globalization. Globalization is good when trade stops or comes. I'm not a tech guy. I'm looking at the technology with the eyes of my customers, normal people's eyes. A peace talk is always difficult, always complicated. If Alibaba cannot become a Microsoft or Walmart, I will regret it for the rest of my life. Every technological revolution takes about 50 years. I think us and Chinese businesses need a common language and dialogue. A trade war would be a disaster for the world. It's very easy to slip into a trade war. The name Jack was given by an American tourist. Our philosophy is using internet technology. We can make every company become Amazon. As a business person, I want the world to share prosperity together. I want people to learn what democracy means. To be wiser, always remain silent in first situations. When you feel one can't understand your feeling from your words. When it is better to walk away than to tolerate nonsense. Silence is true wisdom's best reply. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. When someone else is emotionally sharing some events in your life. Keep quiet. Never underestimate the power of stupid people. A man who starts many things at once cannot complete any of them. Trade is a communication of cultures and values.